In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone a board owner on Monday.com. So as you can see here on my screen, I am right here on this board, marketing. So in order for us to make someone a board owner, just go right here at the top right corner and then you can see the invite button. Once we hit that, you can see here all the members inside this particular board that we have. So on my end, I only have myself and also the other one. So if I click this crown icon here, and it will turn into blue, which means he is now an owner of this board. If I click it again, then it will turn back into gray. It means he's not an owner anymore. So on my end, as you can see, I already have this blue crown icon because I'm the one who created this board and I'm basically the owner of this board. So you can make someone a board owner as many as you want. And if you don't want them to be an owner anymore, just simply click back their crown icon and then it will turn back into gray. And that's about it. That's how you make someone a board owner on Monday.com. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.